Hello, today we are going to train your English voice to use verb plus ing or to plus verb. Some verbs can be followed by verb plus ing or to plus verb and still have the same meaning, while the meaning of others will change completely. Some examples of verbs that stay the same are begin, start, or continue. So have a look at sentence 1. They started playing. So here we have the verb started, followed by the verb plus ing, playing. They started playing. Sentence 2. They started to play. So here we have the verb started, followed by to, plus the verb play. Those two sentences have the exact same meaning. Some examples of verbs that can be followed by verb plus ing or to plus verb, but the meanings change completely. Remember, regret, go on. Have a look at sentence 1. I remember watching the game. Sentence 2. I remembered to watch the game. So the first sentence is something that you remember doing. I remember watching it. Perhaps you watched it yesterday or last week, and you can remember watching it. Sentence 2 is something that you remembered before you had to do it. I remembered to watch the game. So those have two completely different meanings. Verbs that are normally followed by to plus verb are deserve, fail, hope, and refuse. So let's have a look at sentence 1. They deserve to win. Sentence 2. They hope to win. And lastly, verbs that are normally followed by verb plus ing are enjoy, finish, postpone, or stop. We add verb plus ing afterwards. For example, sentence 1, we enjoyed watching the game. So here it is a past tense sentence. So we say enjoyed, and we have the verb plus ing, watching. Sentence 2, we stopped watching the game. Past tense by the verb stopped, so we added ed, followed by the verb plus ing, watching. Excellent job today, well done. Goodbye.